So, this is a part 2 of a video. We're still going to be using the a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, but what happens if we're not giving the lengths of two sides, while only giving two coordinate points, coordinates of a and coordinates of b? We essentially can map this out. If I'm starting at a and going to b, be the way I'm traveling using the hourglass rule. Let's start with our earthing values. A has an earthing of 10, B has an earthing of 30. From an earth of 10 to get to an earthing of 30, I know I'm going to go an earth 20 units. So we can say this value right here will be 20 units. Okay, from going from A to B on an easterly line. Starting at point A, we have an easting of 10. And we're going to an easting value of negative 50. If you had $10 on Monday in your bank account and you ended up with negative $50 on Thursday in your bank account, how much money did you lose within those few days? 0, 10. From 0 to 10, that's obviously just 10 values. Or 10 numbers away from each other. From 0 to negative 50, that's 50 values away. So we know we want a grand total of 60 units, because 10 plus 50 is equal to 60. You could have easily also said 10 minus negative 50 to find out the differences between them. Essentially, you just want to know how far apart do we have to travel. So now that we know our A value, our B value, we can calculate our C value. So 20 squared plus 60 squared is equal to C squared again. So let's put it all back into the calculator. 20 squared, we have 400. We're gonna add 60 squared. We're gonna add 3,600. We get 4,000. 4,000 is going to be equal to C squared. C squared is equal to 4,000. And we want to get C by itself, so we're going to square root both sides. Square rooting both sides. Boop. We get 600, we get 63.24 and change. There we go. C is equal to 63.2455. Depending on if you want to round up or round down, I would probably just say 2455. Depending on your rounding rules, I would personally round this up to 63.25, but when it comes to fives and rounding, it's pretty debatable on which side we should go on.